What's up with you guys? It's your boy Yaahn Hunter Jr. here, and today we're going to be checking out the Presonus PD-70 podcast mic. So my current mic is the Shure MV7, so this is really going to be dope. Now I have my plugins fired up on this mic, so it sounds like a record. But shout out to Presonus for sending this over to me. And so let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. So out the gate, this comes with your manual with some registration. You're going to get some software that comes with this, and we're going to be talking about that in just a few. Boom. And there it is. Here is the bad boy. Nice. And it's got some weight to it too. So out the gate, this is extremely heavier than what I anticipated it was gonna be. Another thing I noticed out the box, this thing is really cold. So this is telling me this is some pretty premium materials. And the price point for this is really dope. We're gonna discuss that in just a few as well. All right, so we're here on Sweetwater, and as you can see, this is going for $129 right now. And this, you can't beat this price point. I think I paid about $2 something for the Shure. And so you're getting some premium stuff here for this price point. You really can't beat it at all. This is what I was looking for. Here's the frequency response. So dynamic, polar pattern, you have cardioid, you got 20 hertz all the way to 20 kilohertz. So that's kind of crazy. And for the people who are into this kind of stuff, it has 350 ohms and all that good stuff. So of course the connector is XLR, then the dimensions is 6.25 by 2.5. And yeah, this weighs about almost 2 pounds. So that's where that heftiness is coming from. Let's swap the setup and let's get this new mic on and let's check out how it sounds. All right, guys, we're back. This is the PD-70 from Presonus once again, and this is extremely clear. I don't have anything on it, no plugins, no nothing. This is just the raw mic, and I'm really impressed with the clarity out of the gate. I mean, you know, maybe I might just put some compression on this and call it a day. On my Shure mic, I put a whole bunch of processing on it, and so we're going to put that similar vocal chain on this mic and see how it sounds with the processing. I'm using the Slate plugins. This is what I've been using in all of my videos up until this point on my previous mic. So we're going to do a little demo with this is with it dry, obviously, and so let's turn these on, and this is what it sounds like with my processing on. So I really think this sounds fire. It's a lot cleaner to me. And it has a natural air to it. Okay, guys, so here's the included software. All you have to do to get access to these plugins is you need to register your mic by entering in your serial number. Once you put in your serial number and it verifies it, then you'll see all of these plugins come up once it's all registered. You get all this good stuff. So you get the Studio One, F Prime, EOM, Arteria Mini Lab, Intro. You get a lot of stuff here. So yeah, the Cherry Audio stuff, the Ghost Hack, Essential, Studio Magic Sounds. You have the KV331 Audio Synth. You got the SDRR2. This is a lot of stuff that comes with this. I had no idea. I'm just now doing this for myself live for you guys so you can see when you register your product. You just go over to your profile, and then you go to register, and then you go to register hardware, and it takes you to this page once you've done so. So the first thing you want to do is set up an account with Presonus and all that good stuff, and then you'll be able to access all of this. All right, so you can't apply processing on this mic beforehand, but you will need the universal control software, and you also will need an interface to go with it, some sort of audio box or anything like that, and then that will allow you to have your onboard processing. Now, if you're like me, you can mix and match. So going back over here to the Slate rack setup, you know, I can pretty much customize everything how I want here. If I want some more compression, I can do that. Boom, boom, and get more of that, you know, compression vibe for podcasts and stuff like that. So I just like the versatility. And honestly, with this mic, you don't even really need that much processing or any processing at all. I noticed out the gate, it has a very dynamic response where it's not going to get a lot of background noise. You will have to talk directly into this mic to get the best performance. Of course, you know, with it being dynamic. So I really like this mic. I'm going to be rocking it in the next few videos, see how I like it and everything like that. Definitely going to get a Presonus interface and incorporate that in and be able to show you guys how to, you know, do everything straight all Presonus without using any third-party plugins. So I'm really feeling this mic. I honestly can say, like, I'm really digging the vibe. I love the clarity that I'm getting out of it, and of course I can fully customize anything that I want, you know, using the Slate plugins via OBS. So that's it for me today. Shout out to Presonus for sending this to me. I think the only drawback that I have with this mic is I wish that it was USB compatible. That way I could actually plug directly into my laptop via USB-C from MacBook and then access the software directly that way. But other than that, I think this is the ideal mic. So if you're looking to upgrade your mic, if you want a nice podcast vibe mic or a streaming mic, this is definitely the best route to go for the budget, hands down. I think you're getting an immense amount of value for $130 for this. So let me know what you guys think about the mic difference in the comments compared to my previous Shure mic. Once again, I'm gonna be rocking this one. And once again, thank you guys for tuning in. If you got some value out of this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and turn on those bell notifications so you don't miss nothing else. That's it for me, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.